Hey everyone! Let's dive into a topic that's super important but doesn't get talked about nearly enough: vaginal health. I'm here to answer some frequently asked questions, so let's get started. First up, what is normal vaginal discharge? This is one of the most common questions I get. Discharge is a completely normal part of how your body keeps your vagina clean and healthy. It can vary in color and consistency throughout your menstrual cycle. Typically, it ranges from clear to white and can be thin or slightly thick. If it has a strong odor or if there's itching or discomfort, it might be a good idea to check in with your healthcare provider. Next, let's talk about pH balance. Your vagina has a naturally acidic pH, usually between 3.8 and 4.5. This acidity helps keep bad bacteria at bay and maintain a healthy environment. Douching or using scented products can disrupt this balance, leading to infections. So keep it simple. Mild soap and water on the outside is all you need. Now, how about yeast infections? These are super common, and most women will experience at least one in their lifetime. Symptoms include itching, burning, and a thick white discharge. Over-the-counter treatments usually work, but if you're unsure, see your doctor. Another big question: can your diet affect vaginal health? Absolutely. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can promote overall health, including vaginal health. Probiotics, like yogurt, can help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria. What about exercise? Staying active is great for your overall health, but be mindful of your workout gear. Tight, non-breathable clothing can create a perfect environment for bacteria and yeast. Opt for breathable, moisture-wicking fabrics and change out of sweaty clothes as soon as possible. Lastly, let's touch on pelvic floor exercises. These can be a game changer for vaginal health. Kegel exercises strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which can improve bladder control and even enhance sexual pleasure. You can do them anytime, anywhere. Just squeeze the muscles you'd use to stop urinating, hold for a few seconds, and release. All right, that's a wrap on our quick FAQ session on vaginal health. Remember, your body is amazing, and taking care of it is a form of self-love. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments below. Stay healthy and take care. Thanks for watching.